Hi guys, welcome to our dropshipping and e-commerce section. Now this is a separate package for your websites. Now you may want a premium website to show off what you do and gain bookings. That's one ball game in the digital world. However, quick cough. However, there are other forms. You may have a load of stock that you want to get put into a website. Maybe you make stock. Maybe you already have a supplier and you want a very beautiful looking website and an equally beautiful e-commerce store that performs. When you come to Alpha Grafikon for an e-commerce store, you get an SEO optimized beautiful website and an SEO optimized e-commerce store that sits on there. What do I mean by an SEO optimized e-commerce store? Now, your website is built with the aim of ranking as high as we possibly can on Google. The way we do that is we give each page its own SEO ranking, search engine optimization. We give it like a title that people may search for. What we do with every single product in the store is we give it its own SEO ranking, so it has its own data, it has its own title, and we have our own little hyperlinks all tucked in there. Not many other companies do this, which is why on the e-commerce side of things, Alpha Grafikon really is the way to go. On the other side, if you do want to start a business, however you don't have money for stock, you don't want to hold stock, then there are possibilities for you. What we can do is build you a drop shipping website, a drop shipping e-commerce store. What that is, you run at the front end website. We'll build you a beautiful SEO optimized website with a beautiful SEO optimized e-commerce store, all exactly the same as everybody else. However, you do not hold the stock. We will set you up with a third party who will post all the products directly to your clients, so you get to run a business without actually having to put up any money for any stock. It's a beautiful way of doing things. With this package, what we will do is we'll get into your niche and into your industry. We'll find the best selling products. I will teach you how to find the best selling products and best trending products. How do you find a product that's viral? We'll teach you that. We'll set you up with your own account and show you how to fulfill the orders. So with this package, it really is a business in a box. If you come on board for the dropshipping package, we'll build you the website, train you up on how to stay on top of the website, train you up on how to stay on top of your social media, and then what we'll do is train you up on how to run the back end of your dropshipping site. Interested in either of these, all it takes is an email or a phone call, a one-to-one digital consultation. Let us know your goals. We'll give you all the advice you need to get there. You don't have to use us, however it's probably in your best interests if you do. Have a look at the portfolio next to us. A lot of these sites are already ranking on Google. One of them, it's third on Google. It's going to be on live 4 days. We're looking for first by the end of the week, hopefully. Cheers guys, see you in the next one.